Right now, me there on a journey.
All right, folks, with us now is dancehall artist Tristan 450 Escoffery, and he's going to talk to us about his musical journey, his viewpoint, and the changes occurring in the dancehall music sector, and maybe more. So I asked him why 450, and him saying born the fourth month, 1950.
Lies.
Never that.
Lie?
Never that.
Never that, sir.
Morning, my virgin.
Morning, my father.
Everything all right?
Yeah, I'm all
Good to see you. Tell me quickly about the name, 450.
Yeah, so 450 is a representation of my date of birth. The day of greatness was born, as I say. The 4th of the 5th, 2000. I'm just short in 2000 for 0 and just.
All right.
Yeah,
Tell me about 450. Who is 450?
I'm a dancehall artist, as I say, born in Jamaica. Start music from the age of 14. As I say, I've been doing it professionally, and been doing it professionally for like 5 years now. My boss for like 3 years now, and yeah.
Your parents were musicians?
Yeah.
Tell me about the DNA, the history.
So, my mom was a producer, my father was a recording
Mom was
artist.
a producer?
Yeah, so recording, my father was a recording artist, so I guess I just been around them, as I say, and the bloodline, I guess, so it just followed out, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Any one of them kind of pushed you that way, or you just decided?
No, they never pushed me towards it. As I mean, they've always been that supportive parents there. They say, yo, whatever you want to do. As I mean, so, and seeing them sort of the music, them never determined at all.
Apart from your parents, were there anyone else? Was there anyone else out there who you saw that you said, I like how that look and sound, I probably want to do something like that?
I guess, yeah, as an artist, as a youth growing up, as I say, and you see people at the music, you don't know you have big artists out there you say and listen to at the time, but I just love it, really. There was nobody who really look up to necessarily, as I say, but yeah, I just love it.
Tell me about the days at Lennon, how you started like kind of holding the craft, and I mean, because it was from then you kind of realized that this was a real gift.
Yeah, Lennon High School. I start Lennon, I think, 2014. I started in a second form. And literally, I think I start, actually was the same time. Same time I start school was the same time I kind of get a love for the music. As I say, and eventually school thing, we find friends who have the same interest and we link up with them, and typical knock school bench lunchtime.
Of course.
But they have the same kind of story, I guess. I just that one of them type of thing there, and yeah, just the love grew over the years, and by the time I reached fifth form, they don't know say it was music but they want for the full time.
If I didn't hear you and I asked you what kind of style you have, what would you say?
But I say melodic and lyrical. Melodic and lyrical, yeah.
Write your own stuff?
Always.
What you write about? Sorry, Sim. What you write about?
Everything, all topics. We touch all topics, man. Versatile. So would that be for the girl them? Would that be for the streets?
For the ladies.
For the ladies.
Yeah.
For the ladies. Would that be for the streets them, and whatever topic is current, or whatever emotion I go through at the moment, I sing about it.
The journey is really interesting. What were you feeling when you wrote Journey?
Journey was just me expressing my growth in the industry. Yes, I wrote Journey. Actually, surprisingly, I write Journey from before my boss, like a little before my boss.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you see me? But it connect more after I get my first song, which was Imperfection. You see me? So actually give me the eyes, people start looking for me in Jamaica. And then Journey fall about, and I just express some more actually. I write it, but I never finish write it, so I'm going to the studio after my Imperfection. I just reflect some more upon everything that's going on in my life, and we'll finish it and we'll put it out.
You've done tours and stuff yet?
Many.
Where you go?
Man.
And what kind of response you get?
I do go.
Hey.
But you see me, I've been most of the states in America, the Caribbean, all the place, man. I go England in November or forward, so.
What was that 5? It took you 5 years, you said, to bus, right? 5?
No, 5. I would say 5 years. 5 years. What?
5?
I guess from high school, yeah. To high school, yeah.
What was that time in your life like? Because it's really hard in Jamaica to bus proper. Take a while. Some people try them whole life and them never ever.
It's rough, man. And as I say, at that time, I did the Clarendon. I go Lennon, as I say. So for left high school, I know some more pursue music. I actually left out of Clarendon and out of Kingston. You see, I can imagine what they are at that time. So as I say, I have to just give thanks to my parents and idea because of them did support me.
Yeah. You ever felt like you wanted to give up?
Oh gosh, man, enough time, man.
Oh, sing with us.
Enough time, man.
Oh, sorry, Jinx. Yeah, but you never.
No, it's enough time, man.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
So you are are where you want to be now. I know it's let's say success is a journey still, and I know you have more to do.
Yeah, I'm grateful for where I'm there right now.
Right, okay.
Definitely.
He's heading to Grammys is where he wants. You want to go to Grammys?
Yeah,
so that's where we want to go.
Good to see. What kind of song or what you gonna do for us this morning?
I'm gonna sing Journey for the People.
Yeah, it's interesting. Senior Soup Lindsay was here yesterday. She went to Lennon.
Is he?
And Lennon is in Moko, and I've never been to Moko.
I think I know who that is, actually.
Yeah.
What do you mean you never been to Moko?
I've never been to Moko. I bet you have never been to Moko.
I've been to Moko more times than I can count.
Seriously?
You know?
I've done rapping, I've been everywhere.
I've never been to Moko.
Shame on you, Nefri. We're going to Moko. Add it to the list.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, man, ready, man.
Here is Tristan. Well, what them call you? 450, that's it?
Yeah, man.
Well, here is 450. Born the 4th month, 1950.
It's a bit foolish, man.
Now for them I change up. But tell them no could change us. Unless you syndicate the edge. It's a haters. No time for no failure. So we for that to know a wait one. Oh no, I go there way long. Right now, me there on a journey. Give my heart to some people when I'm worthy. I give my heart to a girl when I deserve it. And at them same one end up hurt me. God know my mother talk about me no era. She said save yourself, but kind of body not gonna save you. That's how I'm hunting for the food like some craver. But say the hypocrites a talk about me no era. Listen, I better you live your life. No matter where you do, them I go criticize. You start jive and them I say hype. Remember when me a walk foot, them so me broke like. Tell them make out their mind, cause we them on a wave. How them feet cover up on them name. We they have free and could do carrot on my chain. Still loyal to my friends, not the change. So my day night, I'm in up on a journey. Give my heart to some people when worthy. I give my heart to a girl when I deserve it. And at them same one end up hurt me. God know my mother talk about me no era. She said save yourself, what kind of body not gonna save you. That's some on for the food like some craver. But see the hypocrites a talk about me no. How them a walk with a heart full of grudge. I lucky things some raise as a thugs. People no real, so it's hard for my trust. And I miss a girl, turn my heart in a rug. Now it's hard for my love, so tell me home for blame. How are them that when me a drown in a pain? More loss used to soak when it rain. Now out and I can't put respect on my name. I'm in up on a journey. I am hotter than the fire and the furnace. TVJ, all them say we not earn it. All them for say we not deserve. Yes, and we up on a journey. We up on a mission. Them always try for blind you whenever you got vision. You have to vigilant, no need them in millions. With all look good you do, them will still have you as a feeling. I am gonna get hurt one too many times. I get the most stylings whenever you're kind. I know for them we used to call friend one time. Now most of them are walk on enemy lines. Listen me, but now worry about nobody, I'm alright. Leave me the hell alone and have a nice life. The boy them will sell out for the right price. And that's why me not take it's up to me haters. No time for no failure. So we forgot to do a weapon. Who know I go there way long. Right now me there on a journey. On Syndicate 450.